Welcome to Minnesota! We are here for 10 days and we are going to try to fit as many fall things in as we can. It is September 15th, so it's mid-September. We're a little bit early. Am I wearing a sweater in 85-degree weather? Yes. I gotta live it up. So today we're going to an apple orchard and then we're gonna make apple cinnamon bread. I'm gonna make apple crisp at my grandma's house. We bought pumpkin spice cold foam for our coffee. We're gonna have a bonfire tonight and make s'mores on the lake. I think I'm gonna try to find a coffee shop that also has pumpkin spice fall flight. We'll see if those are even a thing. And maybe try to take a walk, take in all the fall colors. Come along with us.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting some cider.
Welcome to the apple store. Here we sell many apples.
The chestnut crab, the sweet tango.
Wanna try one?
Zesta.
How was that? Which one was that?
I like the sweet tango.
That one's my favorite. What would you rate? What's the flavor?
They're both good, but I like the sweet tango better. Yeah. Chestnut crab is very good too.
Let me hear your best yeehaw.
I gotta do that.
Here is the status of the apples. We are on the last row. We already have enough for both the apple crisp and the apple cinnamon bread. We are picking the sweet tango apples.
One. Oh, well, usually it's three twists, pull, and bottoms up. And out the inner child. It was a successful trip to the apple orchard. Now we're gonna go back and make the bread. Taste test.
I added blueberries to it and it's delicious. Today is Dylan's half marathon.
Any advice for a first-time half marathoner?
Start out slow and then back off.
All right, here we go. We're a mile in and first hill complete, 10:46.
It is storming.
Just hit the 4-mile mark. I was at about a 9:55. Feeling good, just had a caffeinated stinger.
Got the 4 hardest miles done.
There's thunder back there.
There was a huge lightning strike that just went off. Sounded like it was literally next door. I am hoping that there is good weather. We have to drive like 20 minutes east, but it's not looking good, bruv.
We are at 6.5 and it has started raining on us. Hit a little wall, snacks helped.
It's almost 9. They should be done around 10. I hope that they don't shut down the race because of the rain, but of course if it's too dangerous, that's what they'll have to do. But it's Dylan's first half, so I hope they don't have to do that. Can you hear that thunder? I hope it's not raining where they are.
Well, it's starting to rain and it's thundering too.
Want to see the sign I made him? Dylan is a half marathon villain who is killing this race. Pásale. They only have about a mile and a half left, and then they're gonna be here. How was it running through the hail that was almost the size of a golf ball?
It didn't even hurt.
And the lightning, did it scare you?
There was a time where all of a sudden there was a huge flash.
There was a huge lightning strike that just went off.
Everyone was expecting a big bang right after and it took a few seconds for the bang to hit.
It sounded like it was literally next door. 10 miles away.
Yeah, I don't think the thunder stopped for about 10 minutes straight. New PR.
How are your knees feeling?
Good. Good. Had a little bit of tendonitis in my left knee. I used kinesiology tape. Felt really good.
Where's your medal?
I actually don't have it on.
Oh.
That's what it looks like.
How'd it feel for you, Dad?
Good. Good accomplishment.
Average 10-minute mile pace. Nice.
13 is when we finish the fight.
Couldn't have done it without that guy. Kept me going.
To get the chicken wild rice soup.
Last day in
Last
Minnesota.
night.
Yeah, last night. How do you feel?
Can't believe it. It's crazy that it's coming up so soon.
All right, we are making our last run to the storage unit to drop off all of our stuff, and then I'm going to pick up a laptop. Heading to North Carolina after this, and then we're on a flight to Quito, Ecuador. Woo-hoo.